Forgotten username recovery failed on Chip Savings fix. If you've struggled to recover your Chip Savings username, you're in good company. Most people get this wrong because Chip no longer uses traditional usernames. Today, your registered email or phone number is the main way to access your account. The surprising truth is that guessing usernames rarely works and can slow down recovery. Here's the fix. Step 1. Open the Chip app or website and select Forgot Username. Enter the email or phone number linked to your account. Chip uses this to identify you securely. Step 2. If you don't have access to your registered email or phone, you'll need to verify your identity. Gather your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific information. This ensures only the rightful owner can regain access. Step 3. After verification, you'll be prompted to reset your password. Follow the instructions carefully and check your spam folder if the recovery email does appear immediately. Step 4. If standard recovery fails, contact Chip support directly. Explain that username recovery failed and provide your personal information. Their team will guide you safely through the process. Many users assume losing a username means permanent lockout, but Chip switched to email and phone-based login to improve security and simplify access. By following these steps, you'll regain access quickly. Focus on your registered email or phone, verify your identity when necessary, and you'll be back managing your Chip Savings account confidently and stress-free.